My son Hunter, he has overcome an addiction. He's one of the brightest, most decent men I know, and I am satisfied that I'm not going to do anything. I said I abide by the jury decision, and I will do that, and I will not pardon him.
In a legal twist following Donald Trump's presidential win, his lawyers are pushing to have his hush money case dismissed. They argue that the charges stemming from payments to adult film actress Stormy Daniels could disrupt his governance after he takes office on January 20th. Donald Trump's attorneys sought to dismiss his historic criminal fraud conviction, arguing President Joe Biden used similar reasoning to pardon his son, Hunter Biden. Joe Biden pardoned his son on Sunday after Hunter was convicted earlier this year of tax evasion and illegally possessing a firearm, arguing he was selectively and unfairly prosecuted by the Department of Justice. Trump's motion to dismiss, filed Monday, saw his legal team cite the arguments used by Biden to make their own case to presiding judge Juan Merchan. The letter's introduction reads, and I quote, comments amounted to an extraordinary condemnation of President Biden's own DOJ, end quote. This is the same DOJ that coordinated and oversaw the politically motivated election interference witch hunts targeting President Trump, the letter added. The 69-page brief also invoked the doctrine of presidential immunity, which the Supreme Court has ruled extends to official acts, while President and the Presidential Transition Act, among other laws, to immediately dismiss the indictment and vacate the jury's verdicts. In their motion, Trump's lawyers criticized the suggestion to defer sentencing until he leaves office in 2029, calling it, quote, ridiculous. The case centers on a $130,000 payment made by Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, to Daniels before the 2016 election. Trump was convicted of falsifying business records to cover up the reimbursement, marking the first time a U.S. president faced criminal conviction. Trump's legal battles extend beyond this case. In 2023, he faced 3 additional charges, including mishandling classified documents and attempts to overturn the 2020 election. While federal prosecutors dropped 2 cases due to a policy against prosecuting sitting presidents, state cases in New York and Georgia remain unsolved. With Trump's inauguration looming, the debate over his legal challenges intensifies. Whether this motion will succeed remains in the hands of the Manhattan court as the nation watches closely.